year, I'd like to do some unboxing, my birthday gifts unboxing. I never thought I would get anything, but guys, like, I'm so happy I have the friends that I have in my life.
Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even.
Like, I was telling the other vlog, mimi upotea, like, when I have like so much going on in my life, I tend to like pull away from people, so that I solve my things, that I get back, spendi kustress watu, and that is what I have been doing. Nimekuwa in a cocoon, but I appreciate everyone that came. And guys, because you show up for me, I will also show up for you. So let's do the unboxing. So guys, like every time I have like an event like this, I invite my friends. I always get flowers. So these flowers are from Eunice. Eunice is my friend's sister. Okay, that girl, she took care of us when we were in campus. Like, we used to go and eat there. If you're in campus, you know, having like nice food is a privilege. So tulikuwa tunashinda, we used to go like eat there. Then she used to treat us like a small sister. And oh my god, that's so cute. Thanks Eunice for this. And then we have like a very huge bouquet. Guess what, guys? The same person that gave me flowers last year, Rosie, got these flowers for me, and it smells so nice. Then they're so big, they're so huge. Nitakuwa na flowers kwenye the next few weeks. Yeah, if I take good care of them. So the flowers, the cute flowers, came with a card. Like Rosie anapenda birthdays. She likes celebrating people, but she never celebrates herself. So this year she should. So I'm so grateful. So I'll read what is written in the card. I hope I won't cry. Dear Vero, happiest birthday wishes to you, my beautiful friend. May you always see the beauty in this world and be encouraged to keep on pressing on regardless of the stumbling block or handles that stand in your way. Never give up, because I see remarkable greatness in you. Oh, may you receive the greatest of joys and everlasting bliss. You are a gift to yourself, and you deserve the best of everything. Love, Rosie. Rosie, I love you too. Thank you for the gift. So cute. Oh my god. Like, I have 2 bouquets of flowers. Get you a Rosie in your life, and you'll never get bored. Then I have like a really huge gift over here. 10 box here, Misho. Then from my sister, I got some really cute earrings. Kuna earrings nashinanga nimevaa. She gave the earrings to me like how many years ago? Like 4 years, and I still have them. The quality was really nice. Then I have these ones. They're cute. Oh god, I'm getting ill and I should go working tomorrow. Oh my god. And then she also got me chocolates. Yeah. Then Salvin. I have known Salvin for how many years? Hey, we have gone through a lot. We've gone through a lot. Like, we met when I was doing my attachment. Yeah, and we became like really good friends, and she's a supportive friend and really understanding. So she got me chocolates. I'm spoiled, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not feeling so well. And then from Damaris, it's a really cute gift, and I love it already. Hata kabla nifungue. So let's do the unboxing. So I met Damaris when I was in campus. We used to live in the same block. Na tukaharibiana, and we had a lot of fun in campus. Tukasaidiana. Like, if there is someone that I would count on, it's Damaris. And I'm happy. Like, kila birthday, we usually do something. I do something for her birthday, she does something for my birthday. And this time round, she went all out. And guys, I did not get her a gift for her birthday. I was supposed to take her out, then she was working, and then, and it's not. I appreciate a lot. So, oh my god. See, I have nice friends, guys. Like, you know, sometimes. Okay. Aww. She gets me. She gets me. Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? Guys, imagine. Let me share it with you. Like last month, I broke all my wine glasses. Na sina hata moja. So I wanted to take some wine. Nikaenda Naivas. I got one glass for 400 bob. And I was like, I'll go to Kamkunji and get new glasses. And I have never told her I want wine glasses. But then she got me wine glasses. I feel like it's my wedding now. See, was the wedding to put to gifts. Like, so let's take it now. Guys, I hope it's shooting. I'm gonna look at the shoot. The shoot. Wine glasses, guys. And wine ama ni champagne glasses. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my god. Kai, na vile nilikuwa nishaanza kumzushia. Unajua, she's the one who came with this whole idea of me putting this dinner. And me sikuwa nataka kufanya anything for my birthday because I hate being anxious. And then she called me. She was like, "Oh, on Sunday I'm going to work. I will not make it." Nilimsomea. Nikamwambia, "When you think I didn't have anything to do with my life, like ni plan kuweka something, then you came up with the idea, then you decide you're not coming. It's okay. Sikuje, wanataka kuja watakuja, usini stress." That is what I told her. I'm sorry. So sometimes, anyway, I can be really not understanding. Yes, I told the job, she has to go to work, but I was like, why come up with an idea, then bail out, allow me back in the stress become. But she showed up. And guys, she showed up and showed up big. So, Terran! Oh my god, that's so cute! Champagne glasses. We're going to be popping champagne, not even wine in this house from today. So, oh my god. Sarah! Could you on it? Could you on it?
Ni kaza kopa ay.
Champagne glasses.
They're so cute.
Yeah, they're so cute. Like, hi, nimeanza kuzeeka, marafiki zangu wananigift vitu za maana, si? Like, unajua, hey.
It is a marriage.
Hey, it's like it's my wedding. And guys, so I'm so happy. So there was one more gift that I was supposed to unbox. So my sister got me this. Like the gift bag is so cute. So guess what, guys? Guess what? Imagine I did not own any perfumes, but yeah. So now I have two perfumes. One can fit into my bag, so I'll be smelling nice all day. And then I have this other one. This I'll be leaving at home, but now I can have a collection because I have another cute perfume. Let me show you inside. Like, it's so cute. Oh my god. Here guys, it's purple in color, purple for royalty, and it smells really nice. So I'll be smelling rich now. Like, imagine guys, I don't have any perfumes. Focus please at 150. Just imagine that. So yeah, and this one is a dupe for Lancome. Let's see how it smells. Also purple in color, royalty. Really nice. Like, this is just the right size for your daily bag. So yeah, and then I also went to House of Leather. So The only thing that I didn't like about House of Leather is they did not allow us to film. So I got a flower vase. Nitaonyesha nikipack vitu. It's packed inside. So yeah, it went for 1,500. I feel pinch kununua, but that means I'm manifesting flowers in my life. So yeah, thanks for a letter to my younger self. This is what I will tell myself. First, you are not fat. Like, I have been watching my videos right now and I was really skinny and I used to feel really fat because I was bullied and stuff. But nikiangalia I looked nice, like mbona sikukuwa na confidence hiyo time, and right now I have gained so much weight as compared to that time and I feel okay about it. And then I'm like, why was I stressing about my weight? And I was not even big, so I would tell myself, relax. Utapewa mwili mpya ukienda, when you go to heaven you get a new body. So that's one thing I would tell myself. Another thing I would tell my younger self is trust the process. Like when I was younger, I was doing like so much. Nilikuwa nimeanza business ka 50, mimi ndio niko job, mimi ndio nauza vitu online. Like I used to do everything because I didn't want to feel poor. And most of the businesses that started when I was younger, they failed. But they failed and I learned a lot from them. Like right now, I know how to hustle for cash. I can't sleep hungry and I do not need anyone to give me like cash. Like I thank God when I hustle, I get like my cake business. I don't get like many orders, but when I get an order, it like really boosts me. And then I'm just grateful. I would tell myself, don't stress so much, don't do 1,000 things. Yes, it's the process and things will work out later. And then what else would I tell myself? Don't pressure yourself. I used to I had a lot going on in my life, family wise, personal life, and nilikuwa najiuliza like watu fika wapi wanakuwa okay, and right now I think I'm okay. Like it's not like I don't have the same problems. I still have the same problems, but nimelearn ku deal nazo. Like they don't stress me like they used to stress me. What else would I tell myself? And basically the body thing, relax girl, you are not fat. And what else? And the stress thing, like basically when I was transitioning from childhood to adulthood, like when I was the period that I was transitioning from being a child to being a grown-up, I was dealing with only two things: family stress and my personal image stress. And I feel like nilikuwa najipressure to see I'm here and I'm okay. Like I'm okay, I'm here, I'm still breathing and life is good. So then also celebrating achieving everything that I wanted to do this year. When this year started, I